Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Montevallo local and long-distance movers near me. Is it time to hire a cheap Montevallo moving company? 3 Movers is the right choice if you want a trustworthy moving company. We provide you with professional movers to help with your local or long-distance move. Our team can ensure you get where you need to go without all the hassle or stress. A move of 100 miles or further is a long-distance move. We offer the following options for this type of move. Packing services. A convenient move happens when we take over the packing and unpacking. Moving supplies. We offer the best moving supplies for all your fragile items. An on-time move. You won't be delayed on moving day with us, since we show up at the agreed-upon time ready to work. Upfront pricing. A moving quote from us gives you the pricing you need without any worry of extra fees or hidden costs. Your belongings are all fully protected with our very professional movers. Choosing to hire us help with your long-distance move is smart. We know how to make your relocation easier. While we cannot help you get used to your new city, we can make sure your move there is smoother. Whether you're going one state over or across the country, we can help. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Montevallo moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.